So guys, it is 11/15 of 2025, and I'm starting a new series of documenting building a multi-million-dollar per month life insurance agency. And right now, my goal, and I want to document, is getting to $1 million per month. This is a huge goal that I have, that we have here at Legacy Family Life. And I want to share with you just real numbers, real proof of what we're doing, some of our success of our agents, of what's possible as a life insurance agent. And I want to share with you one core takeaway that you can use, that you can implement at the end of this video, that you can actually start using to start making more money as a life insurance agent. Now, what I want to first dive into is that in the last 5 days, we have done $211,000 of annual premium. So $211,000, which is awesome as a team. We have an average case size of $1,077, meaning that we're selling good, healthy business, not those itsy bitsy policies, but strong policies. We have 196 sales currently and a 9.9% contact to close rate. This should be increased. It's Saturday morning. Our team's coming in. Yes, we are a team that shows up on the weekends. This is what it's required to get to $1 million per month. And we just got to keep working hard. And if you're an agent, I encourage you, it's currently Saturday morning, to show up on Saturday and make some sales. Now, let me share with you some real wins from last week. Our top agent last week, Mr. Ian Randalls, check this out, $16,000 of premium. Incredible work, Ian. Now, what's crazy about this top performer is that he sold around $11,000 or $12,000 in just 3 days. And I'm going to share with you how he did it in a second. Jess, 10,000, Phoenix, Kyle, JB, Brian, all around the $10,000 mark or beyond. Incredible work. And even just really cool, we have many people on our team at 23,000, 21,000, 20,000, 17, 16, 15. They're all pacing to be on track to around 40,000 or more of production. Mason's on track to hopefully do 50K. It's halfway through the month. And this is what we do here, guys. We're here to absolute dominate, and this is what it takes to win. So just want to give some shout outs of what's possible in the week and ultimately highlight some top performers. Now, one thing I want to talk about here is Mr. Ian. One thing that I've learned from you, and that as we're documenting that you can implement, is go whale hunting. It's more fun, and most importantly, you can make more money by doing the same work. Or even better, you can make more money by doing less work, okay? And this is a belief that I had to shift, and this is something that Ian has taught me, is that don't be afraid to raise your cases, right? When I first got started, I would sell anybody a $45 policy, a $50 policy, and I was cool with that. But instead, if you rethink the way that you're selling, instead of selling just based off price, sell based off of value. So if someone wants to cover the burial expenses and leave $30,000 behind to their daughter, go ahead and try to pitch them an option that solves that problem. Because what you can do is you can change nothing about next week. You can do the same production, make the same amount of sales, but if you raise your premiums by just $20 or $30 per case, you'll make a few extra $100 and even thousands of dollars over a short period of time, which will help you make more money as an insurance agent. And the last piece of advice that I learned from the $16,000 of production from our top agent was always go for the his and hers. If daughter or wife or husband's not covered and you're speaking to someone that's in that household with them, at the end of the phone call, probe, ask, and see if you can get that other person protected. Most times we don't get that opportunity because we're just afraid to ask. So if you hear someone in the background, or you hear them talking about their daughter, or they mention that their husband is a pain in the butt and he doesn't have life insurance, before you hang up that phone, Miss Betty, let's go ahead and let's look at some options for your husband. You told me he doesn't have coverage. Does that sound good? Okay. And that's your way that you can increase your case sizes and make more money as an agent. Love you guys. This is the journey. We're going to smash $1 million. I love you, Legacy Family Life. We're going to win together and absolutely have a great day. Cheers.